Unlock a world of creative assets in Alight Motion with a simple QR code scan. Let's dive in. First, open Alight Motion on your device. Make sure you're on the main project screen. This is where all your creations live. Now, look at the bottom menu bar. You'll see a few options. Tap on the Elements icon. This will open the element library. On the top left corner of your Elements page, you'll find a tiny square icon that looks like a QR code. It is usually on the upper left side, but it can also be at the top depending on your phone model. Tapping the QR code icon will activate your phone's camera. Alight Motion will ask permission to use your camera, so go ahead and grant it. Position the QR code within the frame on your screen. Alight Motion will automatically detect and scan the code. Wait a few seconds for it to process. Once the scan is successful, the elements associated with that QR code will automatically import into your Alight Motion project. Usually the scanned element would automatically appear on your layers panel. And that's it. You can now use the imported elements in your project. Unleash your creativity. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Alight Motion tips and tricks.